focus. So you can see the motor now. They do the camera of this one now. Three day here. I will do the camera now. This gear. See the blue. So you see where I pack them. They don't touch this one. They don't destroy this one like the other one. This gear, they don't touch them like that. Let me just. Touch 'em. It's only this Corolla. This Corolla, they scatter this Corolla well because the picture where you sent to me, that back, I see the back well, I don't see the front. For the picture where you sent to me, I see the back, see the intact. See the back. This beam is for the Camry. It should be for the Camry. This front quarter, is for the Camry. See the roof. The roof was. Don't know what thing they do for this roof like this. Don't know what they do for this roof like this. Okay, this is the Corolla. I think you don't see the Corolla finish like this. Let me go for the gear. Odyssey, see the Odyssey. You change the glass, do the roof, the front bumper. That front bumper that is there is spoiled. It's not good again. We can't use that one. It's already scattered. That front bumper is scattered, finish. Scatter finish. And the brake, the